Hello viewer, welcome to your dream physique. In this video, we will discuss some foods which you should add and avoid in diabetes. Diabetes has become one of the most common and worst problems. In India, there are an estimated 72.96 million cases of diabetes in the adult population. This is because of an unhealthy lifestyle and improper diet. In fact, there are many foods for diabetes to add and avoid. Moreover, many people just ignore this problem, which becomes a major problem in future. How is diabetes caused? Diabetes is caused when your blood sugar levels are too high. The sugar level in the body rises when you eat food that spikes insulin levels. Moreover, most of the fast digesting carbs, like white rice, spike your insulin levels. Is diabetes a disability? Diabetes is no longer considered a disability because it is a medical condition and can be cured with proper nutrition. In fact, people with type 1 or type 2 diabetes have to restrict some foods that spikes insulin levels, and the blood sugar levels will come at normal levels. Foods to add in diabetes. Brown rice. Brown rice is a slow digesting carbohydrate and does not spike your insulin levels. Provided that it is filled with nutrients, it is the best option for people who do any kind of physical activity. In fact, it is filled with fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals which may control blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is another type of carbohydrate food that does not spike insulin levels. Many people think that sweet potato is sweet and is bad for people with diabetes, but it is better than white potato. As a result, they are high in antioxidants, vitamin and minerals which can be added to the diet. Avocados. Avocado is considered one of the most healthy fruit as it contains vitamins and healthy fats. In addition, the fat present in it is a healthy fat that helps to fight diabetes. Adding avocado to your diet will not only help to reduce diabetes, but also help to lose weight, increase insulin sensibility and lower cholesterol. Fruits. Fruits like banana, apple, watermelon, papaya can be added by keeping in mind the limitation. However, the sugar present in the fruit is called fructose, which is fruit sugar, and it is not added artificially. It is a natural sugar and is less harmful than artificial sugar. Fish or any seafood. Fish like salmon and tuna are some of the healthiest options to choose from. Moreover, the omega-3 present in fish is good for heart health. It is also a good source of protein and helps to complete our daily protein requirement. Mostly, diabetic patients have a low level of vitamin D, and adding fish is a good way to complete your dietary vitamin D intake. Eggs. Eggs are another healthy and best option for diabetic people. Furthermore, egg whites are considered as a lean source of protein as it does not consist of carbs and fats. Similarly, there is no rise in insulin level as there are no carbs present in it. Low-fat dairy. Low-fat dairy products such as low-fat milk can be consumed by people with diabetes. Among all dairy products, yogurt is considered the best because of its n number of health benefits. Besides curing diabetes, it also helps in digestion and acid reflux. Oats. Oats are considered a high-carb food but are safe for people having diabetes. It has a GI score of 55 or lower, making them less likely to cause spikes in insulin levels. As it contains B-glucans, it helps to reduce glucose and insulin responses after meals. Olive oil or canola oil. Olive oil reduces blood sugar level and cholesterol. Besides olive oil and canola oil, coconut, soybean, mustard, sunflower and peanut oil are some healthy options to choose from for people having diabetes. To clarify, researchers have found that olive oil is beneficial in reducing insulin sensitivity. Coffee or homemade juices. Caffeinated and decaffeinated coffee can help in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. It is good for decreasing insulin sensitivity and raises plasma insulin levels. On the other hand, homemade juices are one of the best and healthiest option to choose from, as they will not contain artificial sugar which is common in packed juices. Foods to avoid in diabetes. Packed juices. White rice. White potato. Candies. Beer or alcohol. White bread. Sugar. Oily foods. Whole milk or ice cream. Maida or white flour. Conclusion. Diabetes is caused when your blood sugar levels are too high. Brown rice is a slow digesting carbohydrate and does not spike your insulin levels. Sweet potato is another type of carbohydrate food that does not spike insulin levels. The sugar present in the fruit is called fructose, which is fruit sugar, and it is not added artificially. I hope you found this video informative. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And most important, don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.